Hi everybody, this is Quinn, That's Snazzy iPhone Guy. Sorry for the poor microphone quality. It's the first day of school, I'm back, and you should probably be back as well if you're still doing that kind of stuff. Right now I have 4 periods that are free because I'm taking off-campus classes, and long story short, I'm here to talk to you about what I think about Android. Now you may be wondering, well Quinn, why would you know anything about Android? I bought an Android phone. I bought the Dell Streak, and I did sell my iPhone 4. Now before you freak out and go, what's happening to TSIG? Don't worry, it's not going anywhere. I do plan to get another iPhone. I'm hoping that a sponsor will pick one up for me. It'll be something that I can use for my reviews, but it won't be my main phone. My main phone is the one I'm shooting this with. It's the Dell Streak. It's a 5-inch widescreen tablet. I'm using it as a smartphone, though, and it does have smartphone capabilities. You know, there's a speakerphone, there's a microphone, there's a phone, and it's on the AT&T network. It retails for $550, and the resale price is $299. I filmed an unboxing yesterday, but I'm pretty sure I had an epileptic seizure. This is the weirdest thing. I like freaked out and my hands started shaking. Anyway, long story short, you won't see an unboxing, but you will see my first looks on the device, and it should be an interesting one. I love this phone to death. And maybe I'm just ready to be done with Apple. Maybe I'm just excited and so happy with Android because it's something different. Because I've been using iOS for 4 years now. But I do have some points and some things I'd like to say about it. But for those of you that are wondering what's happening to TSIG, fear not, it's going nowhere. The iPhone case reviews will be on hiatus for a little while until I can get my hands on an iPhone 4. But you will see headphone reviews, you will see iPad reviews, you'll see other technology accessory reviews, phone reviews, the stuff you're typically used to. Now, here's my thoughts on Android. Right now, the Dell Streak is running only 1.6. The latest Android operating system is 2.2. Dell said that they will update the Streak to Froyo, or 2.2, in September. So I will be excited to see that come. Now, 1.6 is pretty archaic. I mean, it's not an OS you see on many devices anymore coming out of the box. Most of them are on 2.2. Hardly any of them are on 2.1 Eclair. But so here's what I think about Android. I think it's a beautiful, elegant operating system. It's not the iPhone by any means. The iPhone is way easier to use. The menus are way smarter. Things just work with the iPhone. And with the Android phone, I can find stuff, but I have to dig a little while. I don't know. You know, if you pick up an iPhone, go into the settings menu, and you're looking for something in particular, you can find it without even knowing the menu system. Now with the Streak, it doesn't quite do that, and that's with Android. So I gotta say the ease of use on Android is significantly less easy than on the iPhone. Now I did use a jailbroken iPhone, pretty much all of you know that, but there still wasn't true capability to do what you want. And that's what I love about Android is it's moddable. I mean, it's something that you can change. Like the keyboard, the Streak comes with a stock keyboard that is awful. I bought Better Keyboard. It's an app in the App Store for like $3. And all it does is replace the keyboard. Not just the skin, not just the look of the keyboard. It entirely replaces the keyboard with a brand new keyboard. All the key layouts are different. iPhone can't do that. No Cydia packages do that either. Some, okay, I'll change that. Some do, but not a lot. And there's a bunch of different kinds of keyboards, too. You can pick up Elite keyboards, you can pick up Darwinian keyboards, you can pick up a bunch of stuff that you can customize to your liking. Now, I'm trying to think of other things that you can do. Multitasking is really cool. You can kill the task. I have this free backup app. Well, it's an antivirus app. Now you're thinking, antivirus, I'm going away from Android. You really only need an antivirus if you're installing applications from outside of the app market, which isn't recommended anyway, and I sure won't do. But what this app allows you to do, it's free, is it lets you back up all your data. You can back up your contacts, your call logs, your pictures, all on a scheduled time, overnight, weekly, nightly, daily. Whenever you choose, it will back them up. So I have it set for 3 in the morning, back up all my photos. There's also a search and find. Now, kind of like the Mobile Me service, but you're not paying $99 a year. It's free. Find my iPhone, but it's Find My Android. And it is awesome. I do got to say, the GPS unit in the iPhone is kind of subpar, if you ask me. In the Dell Streak, it gets me to the meter. Like on the map, exactly where I am. It is really highly accurate. Now on the Streak, there's obviously a few things that don't work as well. You can notice that the mic isn't as good, the speakerphone isn't as good, but that's not with the Android OS. I think Android has a ton of potential. I do think it's kind of hackerish. And that's why I like it, is I'm a jailbroken iPhone user. If you're on a jailbroken iPhone, try an Android handset out. Don't just go to the store and play with one. Buy one. And if you don't like it, take it back in 30 days or 14 days, whatever the return policy is. But go and pick one up because they are really fun to play with. They're like a jailbroken iPhone times 5, and it doesn't void your warranty. So it's really cool. I really like the Android OS. I'll get more into it in detail later. But for all of you that are saying, oh, the iPhone's the only good phone, blah, blah, Android sucks, oh, Windows Mobile 7 sucks, wake up. There's a lot of new phones out there, and there's a lot of good phones, and some of them are almost as good as the iPhone. Is the Dell Streak the iPhone? No. Is it as good as the iPhone? No. But it is based for a different type of person, and I prefer it. So, this is Quinn. That's Snazzy iPhone Guy. What are your thoughts on Android? Do you have an Android handset, tablet? Have you tried anything? Let me know. Thanks so much, and as always, stay snazzy. See you later.